Dear learners, in this e-tutorial, you will learn about the details of the course ACCT 322 Actuarial Economic Models 2, which you are going to study in this semester. After watching this video, you will be able to understand the course objectives, course content and syllabus, which is divided into 4 different modules, course learning outcomes, pedagogy for the course delivery, assessment scheme, and text and reference material which you can use for completing this course. Details of the course is mentioned in the course syllabus available on your Amazon. This paper is of 2 credits with the given LTP structure. 2 lectures per week would be conducted in this course as defined by the lecture mentioned in the LTP structure. The objective of this paper is to develop the concepts of macroeconomic variables, working of an economy, and how business decisions are affected with the influence of macro variables in business. Basic knowledge of concepts related to economics like demand, supply, cost, and equilibrium is the prerequisite for this course. The syllabus of the course is divided into 4 different modules with the given weightage. Module number 1, in which you will learn about macroeconomic environment and national income, has a weightage of 30%. Module 2, in which you will learn about money and interest rates, demand and supply side of money, and components of money supply, has 20% weightage. Module 3, which will include business cycles, inflation, and how to control inflation, has 30% weightage. And Module 4, in which you will learn about financial markets, money market, capital market, foreign exchange market, and international trade, along with balance of payments and exchange rates, has 20% weightage. Let us now understand the course learning outcomes of the course. After successfully completing the course, you will be able to understand the news related to the economy as a whole, explain the concepts related to national income and differentiate between different national income aggregates, explain the concepts of inflation and policies to control inflation, and you will be able to differentiate between capital market and money market. Professional skill development activities are incorporated in the syllabus of this course for improving your knowledge and skills related to the subject. Pedagogy for course delivery include lectures, class participation and discussions, assignments, case study discussions, self-work, remote learning using 4-quadrant approach, using e-tutorials, e-content, discussion forums, and different assessments. Let us now understand the assessment scheme of the course. 50% weightage is given to the continuous assessment or internal assessment. 50% weightage is given to the end term examination. In your internal assessment or continuous assessment, there are different components like class test, assignment, class performance, case study analysis, assignment, and class attendance. For class test, there is a weightage of 10%. For assignment, there is a weightage of 10%. For your class performance, weightage of 5%. For case study analysis, weightage of 10%. For your assignment, weightage of 10%. And then for your class attendance, again there is a weightage of 5%. And remaining 50% weightage is for your end term examination. These are the books which you may use for your text and reference for completing this course. Latest edition of books may be used for your reference. I hope this e-tutorial is helpful for you in understanding the content of this course, Actuarial Economic Models 2. Thank you for watching this video.